Guys, Happy New Year and maganda ang pasok ng 2026 natin kasi binigyan tayo ng dalawang games ni Epic Games. And hindi to basta-basta putyo-putyo na games lang binigay niya. So, binigyan tayo ng Total War 3 Kingdoms. So, this is, I think, cost around almost 2,000 pesos. And maganda ang reviews nito. If mahilig ka sa parang may pagka-simulation na turn-based, magugustuhan mo to. And if gusto mo ng Chinese history like me, alam mo yung 3 Kingdoms. Ito naman, I think ito yung first game na binigay niya may kasamang online or may kasamang multiplayer. Hindi ako familiar sa game na to, but chinek ko, it's like a third-person shooter. So, it's a PvP, VE, and medyo bago lang tong game. I think lumabas lang siya noong 2025. 9 out of 10 sa Steam, 7 out of 10 lang sa IGN, but minsan di natin mapagkakatiwalaan yung ratings na IGN eh. Ito, I think nasa around 800 pesos. Free lang siya. And also yung Total War 3 Kingdoms, free lang siya until January 6 or 7. So medyo marami ka pang oras para i-claim tong games na to.